Hi, this oral presentation is about my personal information. My name is Adriana Arteaga. I am 43 years old. I am from Popayán, Cauca, Colombia. I am studying psychology at UNAV. I like all kind of music, especially instrumental music like Kenny G. My favorite TV program is Discovery Channel. It's interesting because talk about culture, education and entertainment. The next, my family description. I live with my mother. Her name is Teresa. She is 73 years old. She is a craftswoman. My old sister is a graphic designer. Her name is Mary. She is an advocate for animal rights. My brother is an honest, kindly person. He is 35 years old. He is public accountant. My younger sister is cheerful and talkative. Her name is Lorena. She is a secretary. She works in an office. The next, my room description. My room is the place the most comfortable. It has a high ceiling with a white walls, with a white curtains. I have a closet next to the window. On the right, there is a table computer. It's always tidy and neat. On the right, there is a printer in the bookshelf. And on the left, there is a beautiful armchair. The next is my daily activities. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. I stay in bed 45 minutes before I get up. I take a shower, I dry, I comb my hair. I usually have breakfast with a cup of chocolate with a brother orange juice and then brush my teeth. I leave home at 7:30. In the afternoon, I finish working at 2 o'clock. I usually eat lunch, vegetables and vegetarian food. I sometimes do shopping before I go to gym. I often do my homework at 5:30. In the evening, my mother sometimes cooks dinner, and we eat dinner at 7:30. Then I relax on my armchair and watch my favorite TV program. And sometimes I walk with my dog Golden Retriever around the park. After that, I often check emails on my friends and find my papers. Finally, at 11 o'clock, I go to bed to sleep. Thank you very much.